Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp if it's not showing contact names but only numbers. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, close the WhatsApp app. Now go out and find your Play Store or App Store and just find WhatsApp. Okay? So find it right here, and if there's an update button, just tap on it and just wait for the process to finish. Okay, as you can see here, it's currently installing. Just wait a bit. And then once that's done, go ahead and go back, close everything, find the app icon, tap on it, tap on the information icon, and then in here, go ahead and go to permissions and make sure that contacts is under the allowed section. Okay, so if this is not allowed, so go ahead and scroll down and find contacts right here. So all you got to do basically is just tap on contacts and hit on allow. All right. So tap on allow. Now go ahead and open up WhatsApp and everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. That's how simple it is to fix WhatsApp if it's not showing contact names, but only numbers. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.